Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Axys Valhalla is probably one of the most talked about machines in the tattoo industry right now, and for good reason, as it promises a blend of power, precision, and ergonomic design that could revolutionize your tattooing experience, potentially making it a top contender for artists seeking an upgrade or a reliable workhorse for all their artistic endeavors. Number 5. Sacnahe Tattoo Transfer Stencil Machine Copier Printer. Introducing the Sacnahe Thermal Copier, designed for tattoo artists. It efficiently transfers your designs onto stencil paper in just a few simple steps, ensuring stable performance and no transfer errors. This lightweight machine, weighing only 1.17 kilograms, is easy to move and store. It significantly saves you time and greatly improves your tattoo work efficiency. Experience fast and easy transfers with this device. It requires no ink or replacement parts, completing clear and smooth patterns in just 10 seconds. Customize your stencil copying with multiple settings. You can choose the copy mode, resolution, and depth, including mirror, normal, and 2 deepness options for lighter or darker transfers. Compatible with worldwide voltages from 100-240V, this printer can be used anywhere. It also supports both A4 and A5 paper sizes for your convenience. To get you started right away, 20 sheets of tattoo stencil transfer paper are included. This makes it more convenient for artists to test and use the machine immediately. What we like. This thermal copier is designed for efficiency. It transfers designs quickly and quietly, saving you valuable time. If you're a tattoo artist looking to streamline your workflow and minimize errors, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The Axys Valhalla tattoo machine is a game-changer for artists seeking precision and power. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long tattooing sessions, reducing hand fatigue. The machine boasts a powerful yet quiet motor, delivering consistent ink flow for smooth, clean lines. Number 4. Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen, designed for both professionals and beginners. Experience precision and control like never before. Equipped with a 2400 mAh wireless power supply and a Japan coreless motor, this device offers consistent power. Achieve smooth, uninterrupted tattooing sessions. The integrated digital LED display provides clear voltage readings at a glance. Easily adjust settings to match your artistic needs. Its rotary pen design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during long sessions. Focus on your craft, not on discomfort. This versatile machine is perfect for a wide range of tattooing styles. Elevate your equipment with this essential tool. Crafted with quality components, it delivers professional-grade results every time. Invest in equipment that matches your ambition. What we like. Experience freedom with this wireless rotary pen. Its powerful Japan coreless motor ensures smooth performance, and the digital display provides precise control. If you're a professional or beginner seeking a reliable and advanced machine, this is the one to consider. What people say. Runs so smooth and one of the most quiet and least shaking machine I have. Extremely versatile. Does a great job with line work, soft shading, color packing, stippling. The battery life lasts longer than even what the company advertises. I also love that it has a timer on it so I can show my clients the exact time their tattoo took. Number 3. Mast Fold Pro Wireless Tattoo Pen. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro, a revolutionary wireless rotary tattoo gun designed for ultimate freedom. Experience unparalleled performance and convenience for your artistic endeavors. Equipped with 2 replaceable batteries, this device ensures long run times, allowing you to complete extended sessions without interruption. Keep the ink flowing and your creativity unhindered. Adjust the motor's stroke length with 7 different settings to achieve the precise control you need for any tattoo style. Achieve intricate details and smooth shading with ease. The Fold Pro is engineered with a powerful core motor, model MY031, delivering consistent power and reliability. It's the perfect tool for professional tattoo artists seeking quality and efficiency. Designed for comfort during long tattooing sessions, its ergonomic build reduces fatigue. This lightweight machine allows for maximum maneuverability and control. Embrace the future of tattooing with this advanced wireless pen. Its innovative features and robust construction make it an essential addition to any artist's toolkit. What we like. Enjoy extended tattooing sessions with this wireless machine. The adjustable motor strokes offer versatility, and the two included batteries ensure you never run out of power. If you prioritize long run times and customizable performance, this is an excellent option. What people say. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, with consistent power output. The adjustable stroke length is a big plus, allowing me to switch easily between lining and shading. The grip feels comfortable even during long sessions, and the build quality is solid and professional. The machine itself is sturdy, solid, heavy. Runs super quiet with minimal vibration. And after several sessions, the battery hasn't run out on me once. After a 5-hour session, it still seemed to have enough juice to run for another hour. The inclusion of the RCA adapter is a nice touch in case you're afraid of the battery completely giving out on you. Having an adjustable stroke length was the selling point for me. At 4.2, I can push large mags or bold liners without issue. I never go below 2.7mm stroke, but that works great for fine line work or soft black and gray. Number 2. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Experience unparalleled freedom and precision in your work. This kit features a powerful coreless motor for smooth operation. It also includes an extra 2400 mAh battery to keep you going. Everything you need is included, from the rotary pen to 80 premium mixed-size cartridge needles. It's designed for professional tattoo artists. We understand the demands of professional tattooing. That's why this kit is built for reliability and performance. With its advanced features and comprehensive accessories, this kit will help you elevate your craft to new heights. What we like. Get everything you need to start tattooing with this comprehensive kit. It features a powerful coreless motor and comes with an extra battery for uninterrupted work. If you're a professional artist looking for a complete, high-performance setup, this kit is ideal. What people say. The batteries just keep going and going. It comes with a bunch of needles and almost everything you'd need. This product works well for me. I have used it and the battery lasts a long time. It is of a good size because it fits my hand well. You don't have to fuss with cords or pedals unless that's your thing. It is versatile that way as well. It's also easy to clean, to adjust when turning it clicks. In other words, it will not move on you when you're working. It has good weight and you get an extra battery, charging cord, an accessory for RCA jack, extra needles, a stand and grip tape. Best part. Comes with a sturdy carrying case, great for starters. As a traveling artist, I love this machine. It has helped me create the best pieces so far. The extra battery definitely comes in handy when you are booked back to back. Number 1. Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition Tattoo Machine. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition. This cordless tattoo machine offers unparalleled freedom and precision for your creative endeavors. Engineered with the advanced Core C3 motor, it delivers consistent power for smooth, flawless lines and shading. Experience the difference in every stroke. Cut the cord and embrace true mobility. Its cordless design allows you to work without limitations, wherever inspiration strikes. Celebrate artistry with this special edition. Its unique design makes it a perfect gift for any professional tattoo artist. Finished in a sophisticated black, this tool is as stylish as it is functional. Elevate your setup with its premium aesthetic. This machine is designed for the discerning artist who demands the best. Achieve professional results with ease and comfort. What we like. Make a statement with this special edition cordless machine. Its sleek design and powerful motor deliver exceptional performance. If you appreciate unique aesthetics and reliable power, this limited edition gun is a fantastic choice. What people say. The throw adjustment helps with power lines and helps shift for peppery shading to smooth saturation. It pushes curved mags and heavy round liners with ease. Adjustable, this has a huge range of adjustable stroke. Has the power to push heavy needle configurations but can be adjusted in voltage and stroke to do PMU with it. Included, it comes with 2 interchangeable grips, 2 rechargeable batteries, and an RCA connector piece if you prefer to plug in. Came with all the cords to use it and charge it. Smooth running machine. Very little vibration, quiet and balanced. Battery life is very good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.